from the king.
Yes. Leave me alone. Let me get my baby.
Which baby? Move. Which baby? Which baby do you want to get?
Leave me alone.
Go. It's away from the king. Move it.
Hey!
Go.
Move it. Leave me alone.
Move.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Let me get my baby. I need my baby. Let me get my son. I need my son. I need my son. Let me get my son. I need my son. I need my son. Let me get my son. Hey! Igwe! 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 Igwe!
Come on.
Igwe! 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 Hey! Igwe! Let me get my daddy! I need to get my daddy! I need to get my daddy! If I'm leaving this house, I need to go with my daddy! If I'm leaving this house, I need to go with my baby! I need to go with my baby! I need to go with my baby! I need to go! Hey! I need to go with my baby! I need to go with my son! I need to go with my son! Hey! Hey! Give me my son! If you don't want me again, give me my son! I can't leave my son! I can't leave my son here! Give me my son back!
Oh no.
Your Highness.
I must be honest with you. I am super excited. In fact, today my joy knows no bound. Because the gods, in their benevolence and magnanimity, have granted me my heart desire. Not only have they given me a son, they gave me two. Oh yes. And so it calls for celebration.
Live long, Your Majesty.
You're welcome. And that is perhaps why I have summoned you here, so we can celebrate. We can wine and dine. Oh no, I can assure you, there is a lot to drink and to eat. Oh yes, they're coming from the kitchen very soon.
Let them come.
Like I said before, since the day you came into my life has never been the same again.
Oh, my love.
Oh no, she is my pride and joy.
Oh, yes.
Miliani, the mirror and the protector. My heart is broken, sliced into tiny pieces. She has stolen my place, my son, my kingdom, and my world. Miliani. Miliani, I do not cry when the sun is gone because the tears won't let you see the stars. But I'm here and the sun is not down. But I'm here and the sun is yet to go down. May Sebastian never ascend the throne of Aranto! May Sebastian never ascend the throne. Fight my cause! Fight my cause! Fight my cause, Miliani. May Sebastian never ascend the throne of Aranto. Fight my cause, Miliani. I'm an orphan. I don't have any other place to go. I'm an orphan. I don't have any other place to go. That is why I have decided. So I have decided to be with you till eternity, Miliani.
I've been thinking all night long. If you want me, keep one day. I've been thinking all day long. If you want me, keep one day. Everything will surely show. Everything will surely show.
If you move, I'll send you to your grandfather. Where is that coward? Where is that coward? Come out here, my police. Where is that coward? Show your face. Cannot give bam bam bam. Where are you? Sebastian, you are there. Let me see you.
little ant coming to challenge an elephant. You should know already what is coming.
Ike dị n'abọ obuji egbu agwọ. Ọdụm na-egbu agụ mana arụ chụpụrụ ọdụm n'ebe obi. Even an ant can hurt an elephant. Listen, this jungle is wide enough for everyone.
I am the king of this jungle. You cannot do anything. You will drop that and walk away.
I do not turn back from my enemies because I'm on Ngozi Ezeonu. Nobody de barabara buruburu for Zanga. Na me be the king of the Zanga. So na me be barabara buruburu. Lati lei kamfuki Ezeonu. You have never seen an Aborobe prince. You have seen one today.
You will step down and move downwind. I am my father.
What did you catch?
I caught you.
You lied to me. You know I'm not daft, right?
Okay, I admit. But you're too smart. Why?
That's me.
I thought I was going to outsmart you in that.
No way. Mom.
Sebastian. Mom. Would you?
Yes, Mom.
What are you two still doing here?
We're just gisting.
Just gisting.
Really? Just gisting? Have you forgotten what today is?
Today?
Today.
What is today, Mom? Because I can't seem to remember anything.
Hey.
Today?
What is today, Mom?
What's today?
Have you forgotten that the minister's daughter, Ifunanya, is coming today?
Oh my God! Oh! How could I have forgotten about that? Blame Ujuma, she's the distraction.
Mom, blame him.
Okay. Now I have reminded you, right? Shall we get busy?
Yes, Mom.
Thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm bringing something.
Okay, Mom.
So we'll just wait for you here.
No, yes.
Oh,
Okay.
Good.
It's been long, I last saw her.
Yeah.
Wow.
Seriously. It would be nice to have her, though.
Yes. I can't wait for her to arrive.
These clothes is getting old though. Hey, I've been wearing these clothes for too long. Maybe I should just start giving them out. Wait. No. I should replace them before I give them out. Yes. I think that is what I'll do. Let me just be managing them first.
Okay.
One hole.
Okay.
Okay. What is it? Eh? Mama. By the way, whom did you leave to do the cooking for? Eh? Is it me?
Mama, please, did you call me?
My friend, by the time I close my eyes and open it, enter inside that kitchen and do the cooking at once. Take! Go inside at once. Nonsense. Efrunia, isi chage, fuck isi si. Oged.
Wait!
What is it? Welcome. Norana Sonia. Sit down and pound this food. What is wrong with you? Oya. Sit down. Don't let me lose my temper on you. Totia. If I slap you again, sit down. Oya, pick it. Totia. Pound. Idiot. Nonsense. Ifrunia. Isi chage, fuck isi here.
It's not only that, though.
For real?
Bro, I went to a Chinese restaurant.
Okay.
I ordered food from the white man. I told him that he should give me ofaku. You know our local delicacies now, our local delicacies. I told him he should give me ofaku. Now white man they say ofaku.
Wait. What were you actually thinking walking into a Chinese restaurant to ask for ofaku?
I'm damn hungry.
If you were hungry, you could have just sought an African restaurant.
I needed to swallow.
Oh my God, sometimes hunger make you do abnormal things.
Chiki.
Yeah. Sorry, man.
It looks like you're the chatty type, bro. You like keeping to yourself.
Yeah, that's true. If the discussion has nothing to do with business, he doesn't seem to be interested.
Okay. It's alright. No problem. So, why don't we just hang out? It's been a long time now.
You have a point. I'm all in.
Yeah, let's go.
Your Majesty, I am so happy for Sebastian. Even is just a perfect match.
You can say that again. In addition to that, she is from a very reliable family. That is the most important thing.
Now I know that our son is ready to be presented as the heir to the crown.
I think so too. You know what? Very soon the elders and council will be here so that we can deliberate further on this issue.
I can't wait.
What about me? I can't wait too.
My dear, that was all I said, nothing else.
Really? Wait. So, he stood in your way and tried to hurt you just because you asked for directions.
I'm telling you, that was all. Like, I was surprised, I was shocked.
Really?
Sorry, excuse me.
guys are going out. Oh. They're going out? To where? Oh, why is Kingsley always like this? Why? He knows we're supposed to be at a meeting after our visit here. He just left without informing me.
It's okay. It's okay. Just calm down. It's fine. You know what? If they're not here by the time you're ready to leave for your meeting, I'll ask our driver to take you. Okay? Calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Thank you. Thank you very much for your hospitality. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
It's fine. You're welcome. Come, please. Come and continue this gist. You said that what even happened. So what happened after you did that? Did people try to stop him afterwards?
Nothing. I was just there. I didn't even know what to say. I was just like...
Did anyone try to help you?
No one was there. I was all alone. I was scared. I'm telling you.
This is serious.
Mama, please don't be angry. The soup is almost ready.
Look at her. Mama, don't be angry. The soup is... By the way, were you supposed to prepare the soup now? Eh? You were listening about before. See, that's not why I called you. Take this money. Hurry. Go to Mama Nkechi's house and deliver it. It is my meeting contribution money. Eh? Biko, hurry. Oh?
But Mama, I've not finished preparing the soup. I'm making it very fast because you said you're hungry.
Esibo mad. I've not finished preparing the soup. Just go and deliver this money. I don't have money for fine, no. Okay, the hurry. Gabaru now go.
Mama, the soup.
Leave the soup. I will check it. Just go. Just go. Go.
Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so much once more for the hospitality. I hope to reciprocate.
Oh, that would be nice. All right. Have a safe drive. Same here.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Wow, she's so sweet.
I saw Ifunanya leaving the palace. Is there a problem?
No. She mentioned something about having an appointment. Yes. But Mommy Ifunanya is so lovely. Like she's so much fun to be with.
Really?
I love her already. Yes.
Well, do you think your brother loves her?
Well, I don't know yet, but I'm going to ask him. And when I'm asking him, I'll look in his eyes.
I know, right?
And I'll get the answer.
Good. I see a wedding, a royal wedding coming up soon.
You can say that again, Mommy.
Wow.
The presentation of my son, Prince Sebastian, to Imobi comes up in 3 days.
Okay.
And so I want you to inform all the elders and council. I want all hands to be on deck so that we'll have a each-free celebration.
As tradition demands, the town crier must go round with the gong and inform the people.
That is exactly the point. One more thing. Inform the standing committee that I want to see them in the palace.
Oh, okay. In that case, let me do it right now.
That's okay.
I take my leave.
You're welcome.
Today, we are going to drink in my honor. And that is because soon we are going to be in-laws.
Obviously.
And that will be our boy.
My in-law to be.
But you are already my in-law. Is that not right, Chi?
Of course, settled.
Chike. Chike. Now you still brought your phone addiction here?
This one.
My brother. Trying to figure out something.
My brother. It's been long.
Yeah, it's been a while. You know,
Let's chill. Let's chill.
Hey, where is your gents? Or can I use myself?
So over there.
Over there. Alright. Brother man, I'll see you guys.
Okay, bro.
Brother man, I'm coming. Tell me.
Told you, it's all about business. I'm sure you're beginning to realize what I told you. It's not business. Chike is not interested.
Why is he everywhere?
You see, that's it. People are eccentric. People are different.
Yeah. So trust me. Listen, our company will deliver. Yeah, more than what you think. Yes, trust me. Alright? We will. It's not a problem. Trust me. Trust me. Make investments with us and you will not regret anything. Yeah. Alright. Thank you very much. It's okay. I'll be waiting.
Cheers. Cheers. More live. How's my brother?
What, you like?
That's my bro.
I knew you would.
Drink up.
No, once in a while, it's good to come out like this and then unwind. No, in there, in the palace, so many issues you have to deal with.
I see. But we're out here.
Kingsley, what? Kingsley! Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm not dreaming. Kingsley! Hello, who is here? Waiter! Oh my God, I'm not dreaming. What is going on? Okay? Who is here, please? Kingsley! Hello, who is here? Who is here? Hey, chicken! Jesus. Kingsley! What? Kingsley! Kings! Hey! Sebastian! What happened? We never. We were talking. We poured drink and drank, and I don't know what happened. I saw this. You. No. I had a zip and. What's happening?
No, it's not happening. No.
Where could they have gone to? I mean, look at the time, it's getting late.
They're all just being paranoid for nothing. They are children and will always be. Just give it some time. I am sure they will return.
Your Majesty, the worst part of this whole thing is that their numbers are not even connecting.
I just told you to relax yourself. They will come.
Relax?
Yes?
Your Majesty, how can I relax? I'm already having a bad feeling about this whole thing.
Bad feeling?
Yes.
Why?
Yes.
Daddy! Mommy!
What is it?
Oh my God, this is so bad!
What?
Mommy's sick! He's dead! Oh my God, this is so bad! He's dead, look at it! Look! Oh God! Oh God!
Sebastian!
My
son!
It's all over social media! See? Oh God!
Sebastian and Chike went out together.
Wait. What exactly happened?
I don't know. I just saw this. I don't know anything. This is all I'm saying. It's everywhere on social media. See.
My son. Chike and Sebastian. Are they alright?
I don't know. There's no news about them. It's just Kingsley.
But what exactly happened?
I don't know.
Sebastian.
This is all I'm saying. It's everywhere on social media. See.
My son.
God.
My son.
Hey, Fanana.
Daddy, good evening.
Good evening. Why is your brother not back yet?
Daddy, he will soon be back.
That is not the answer to my question. I asked, why is he not back? You went out with him earlier in the day and you came back alone. Where is he?
Daddy, I already
already told you he will soon be back. He went out with his friends. Kingsley is not a kid anymore. Whenever he's done with his friends, he will return home. Why are you getting worried?
Kingsley is not used to staying out this long without informing me. Why am I having this feeling?
What feelings are you having, Dad?
Something is not right out there. Something is not right.
Okay, Daddy, call him.
He should rather call. He should call. If he has any reason to stay out this late, he should call. It's not picking. It's not picking. Stop it. Stop it.
Dad, calm down. Take it easy. Just keep on calling. Okay?
So who did you say he went out with? Why is he not picking his call? Why? I can't calm down. If I cannot calm down. You're not seeing what I'm seeing. Yeah. Hello? Yes? Who are you, please? Please, can I speak with my son? Hand over the phone to the owner and let me talk to him. This is Ambassador Augustus Obi. Can I talk to my son, please? Hand over the phone to him. What? Oh, hold on. What did you just say? What? What did you say? What?
Dad, what now? Daddy?
What?
Dad, what's it?
What?
Dad, what's the problem? You're scaring me. Dad, what's it now? Daddy, are you okay? Dad, please talk to me now. You're scaring me.
Could it be something related to the voices?
Nobody have ever seen that kind of thing before in this village.
Efunanya. See, you need to be strong. You need to be strong. This is not the end of the future. We need to understand that life is like a tick of a wall clock. Let's not think of turning it back because we cannot. Please be strong. Be strong. This is not the end of the future. See, let me tell you, the best consolation is the one you give to yourself. Please try to hold yourself. These two shall pass away. Israel, Ma, please, people should not allow her to cry much. People should not allow her to cry. My dear Israel, no? Israel, strong.
Continue like this.
Your Excellency, sir. Please, you need to be strong. After this, life continues. This is not the end of the world. Please be strong, sir. Be strong, sir.
Okay, I'll talk to you later, okay? Yeah, when I'm done. So, Pretty Chicken, tell me all you know.
Well, Kings, our intending-in-law, came visiting. And he wanted us to go have a drink.
It's normal.
And then we went to the lounge, like young people would hang out.
We carried the test on you and it came out negative. You did not drink?
Officer, I have told you that I went to the restroom before the whole drinking saga. I went to the restroom.
It seems you are being economical with the truth. Why?
Wait. Am I under arrest?
No busy. I just want to voice my heart to you. Do not turn your back. Please son away from me. No piense, I want to come living again anymore. Many days and many nights.
Your Excellency, I was actually getting...
Can you begin to explain to me what exactly is going on? Why your son killed my son over drink? My only son.
Your Excellency, as at this moment, nobody knows exactly what happened that led to the death of your son. The police is yet to furnish us with their report. I would encourage you to calm down at the moment.
I should calm down? Yes. Igwe Osakwe, I should calm down when my son's body is lying cold out there in the morgue. I should calm down.
Your Excellency, please calm down. I perfectly understand how you feel.
You don't. You do not understand how I feel, and don't you ever say that. Don't you ever utter such abomination that you know how I feel after you killed my first son. And don't you ever utter such abomination that you know how I feel after your son killed my only son. Let me tell you, this is not going to be the end of it. I will not allow you, your son, or any member of your family to get away with this. No, it's not going to happen.
Your Excellency, what exactly do you mean by that? Is that a threat?
You want to know? King Osakwe, you want to know what I mean? It's going to be an eye for an eye. Oh, yes. An eye for an eye. Osakwe, yes. An eye for an eye. An eye for an eye. An eye for an eye.
Do not turn your back. Please do not turn away from me. No piense, I want to come living again anymore. Many days and many nights I cry. Chibo, Yanikino.
No, till you tell me where my brother is. Where is he? It's a simple question. I am so ashamed of you. You call yourself my brother, and yes, you can't even protect your brother. You don't know where your brother is, and you're here, sit there drinking. How heartless can you be? Provide my brother. Where is he? I need an answer to this. What? Chike, where is my brother? Where is my brother? I need an answer. Wait, are you walking out on me? Answer me!
You selfish man. Why did you deny your brother?
I have said it before, and I am saying it again. Sebastian is not my brother.
You ingrate. Must you always display your disapproval of him? Even though he loves you so much? Both of you are brothers. You share the same blood, the same royal blood.
Pretenders have no place in my life. After all, I tried my best.
Best was not good enough. You abandoned him when he needed you most.
What am I supposed to do? I answered the question they asked me at the station.